The Galanz Multi-Cooker says it replaces up to 8 different kitchen appliances. Let's see if it's up to the test. We're review to you. We review the latest and greatest products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. We'll let you know at the end of this video how you can easily win this product. What's in the box? Out of the box, and the Galanz 8-in-1 Multi-Cooker definitely isn't the lightest appliance in your kitchen. At 24.5 pounds, built out of solid stainless steel, you're going to want to find a permanent home for it. Also included is an air fryer basket, sous vide accessory, grill grate, air fry lid, glass lid, and a removable cooking pot. This thing's got 8 different cooking modes available, from air fry, sous vide, rice, sauté, slow cook, steam, roast, and grill. We tried out the air fryer option with some homemade fries, and this was the result. We were skeptical about the grilling option and how long it would take to cook our favorite burgers, but these turned out great too. We love sous vide, so we were pretty anxious to see how the Galanz would perform. Our first attempt at butter garlic fish was surprisingly good. The Galanz steaming and rice options also worked really well. And after dinner, the removable cooking bowl and accessories all have dishwasher-safe, non-stick coating that makes cleanup a breeze. Under the hood, here's all the high-tech specs for those that know the difference. So, what do we like about the Galanz 8-in-1 Multi-Cooker? Versatility is the winner with this guy. With 8 different options, you can experiment with different dishes and preparation styles without buying all the specialized appliances. It does the job of your slow cooker and has a few different functions at the same time. So what don't we like? Once the lid is closed for any kind of air frying, baking, or roasting, you can't see your food. This makes checking on your meal especially tedious. But enough from me, let's talk to Matt and find out what he really thinks.
So we're gonna make some patties, some hamburger patties to test out in this Galanz fryer. So I'm starting with some 80-20. I love my fat, my beef. We're just gonna add some garlic. We got carrots, some jalapeno pepper, a little white onion. And then we're also gonna throw an egg in here. A little salt and pepper. And of course my favorite, some Worcestershire sauce. All right, we're gonna give this a good mix up. Get that worked in. Basically what we're ending up here with is a little mini meatloaf. Once we get it all mixed up, we're gonna form a couple patties. And then it's off to the cooking. Oof, look at these. I got enough for 3 patties here. Oh yeah. Let's get cooking.
Thanks, Matt. Gordon Ramsay would be proud. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, what do we score the Galanz 8-in-1 Multi-Cooker? The Galanz 8-in-1 Multi-Cooker is a solid cooker. And if it had a digital panel so you can enter your times, we might have given it a perfect score. That said, we're giving it a 7 out of 10. So, how do you get your hands on one of these? Well, you've got 2 options really. You can follow our purchase link that we've included in the description below and up in the top right and pick one up for only $189.51. Or you could enter the Review to You drawing and try to win ours for free. If you want to win one all for yourself, the rules are very simple. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then leave a comment with the hashtag we showed you in today's video. We then use a highly sophisticated random selector to choose our winner. The winner will be announced right here on the channel exactly a week from now. This has been Review to You, where the only thing we love more than amazing gadgets is giving them away for free to you. Make sure to click that link up on the right to see our current review and giveaways. And then hit that link on the left to subscribe if you haven't already. From Matt and Gary, see you next time.